it to show up.
Yeah, are you even taking this seriously?
Sorry I'm late. This is embarrassing. We're basically the Grand Marshal of a parade.
Actually, Voltron can't. Keith is gone.
No way!
It's that my absence allowed Shiro to reestablish his bond with the Black Lion. He can finally be the leader I was unable to be. I'm not meant to pilot the Black Lion.
Is that why you've been pulling away from us?
Shiro, you are the...
We're really gonna miss you.
Pidge, I don't like the idea of you going alone. You sure you don't need...
Plus, you guys still have plenty to do on Alkarian.
No. No more beans for Hunk.
Gotta go. I'm just looking for directions to a show. I heard it's explosive. Altering it in your favor. I'll still give you the money, but in return, you tell me because they use nanothermite titanium boron, and you're the only one in this section of the galaxy that seems to be selling it. Really? This is how we're doing it? All I want is the information. Had to do it the hard way. Thanks for the intel. Tiash. Last known whereabouts. It's a Galra attack!
Be here soon?
I'm sorry, Voltron isn't coming. It's just me. I'm looking for Tiash. Is she here? Thank you. I'll give you a hand loading up. I just need to speak with her first. No! Get to cover! You're really gonna... What about you? Everyone aboard, now! Oh no, are you okay?
Matt?
He's my brother.
He may not have his anymore, but this is his code.
May the Paladins of Voltron always be able to find me if necessary.
Thank you. The signal is getting stronger. He must be around here somewhere. Oh no. This can't be right. This place. It's completely destroyed. But it says he's here.
The quest for freedom is won through sacrifice.
I'm so sorry. I was too late. Wait, what? Matt's birthday is wrong. A quantum frequency. It's a message. I have the book. These are coordinates. He's alive.